Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Did you know that every Builders store has a paint specialist in it? Whether you're looking to match an existing color from just a chip of paint in your house, or whether you're looking for inspiration for a project in your house, they've got what it takes to get that color for you. I've come to this store to pick out a color. Let me show you how it is done. Builders has a paint specialist in every one of their stores who are able to assist you when it comes to anything regarding paint. They are expertly trained and experienced at mixing all the leading brands of interior and exterior paints into the thousands of colors available. The brands include Fired Earth, Dulux, Plascon, Durham, and many more. All you need to do is select your favorite color from the wall of colored swatches and leave the rest to them. The paint specialist will use their precisely calibrated paint matching and mixing computers to get the color you need. So head to your nearest Builders and check out their wall of color inspiration and get the right paint product and application to get the job done right. So I've picked up my paint. All that's left to do is get my accessories to complete the job. Whether it's a paint tray, a roller, paintbrush, tape, drip sheet, Builders has what you need. Get to Builders, get it done.